Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Myra Khan. I'm a homemaker, mommy, It's all about being mom and um, lifestyle on this channel. So welcome back. I'm happy to have all of you here. Today I'm just gonna share with you how I organize my kitchen. So join in and have fun. Thank you for being here. So my people, my uncle was so good and he sent me all this. I got 60 eggs. I'm getting the eggs from his farm. He's a local farmer here in the vicinity of where I'm living. So he sends me every week. He's sending me 60 eggs, 2 trays, 60 eggs. These are just the ones that I'm putting in the fridge. The girls already took it out. It comes in this trays, y'all. Yeah, and these ones are sitting in Putter's tummy already because he's the egg eater in the house. I don't know how good these things are for him. This is a pumpkin, y'all. See how big it is? Mashallah. Oh my goodness, it's a big one. I will make pumpkin fritters and soups and whatever. This is also a green type of a green bean. I'm not quite sure what it is really, because it doesn't look. Let me show you how. It doesn't look like a. I don't know. I have never seen these ones before. It looks like a black-eyed pea or something, but it's big. It's big and it's not green. It's like a light minty color. And here is my favorite, watermelon. The kids already indulged themselves in it. Yeah, and my favorite is, I'm not a meat eater, you guys, but I know I can make some mince out of this, and then I can put it on the grill also for braai. I put most of it also here just to, because it came as a big carcass, and then I just disjointed it and just put the joints in here. I mean the leg of the leg and the ribs and the back and so backbone and some neck, so I can later, if it's a little bit frozen, then I can later take it to my butcher, and then we can cut it off. He can cut it off for me. He can cut it up into pieces for me. Then I can freeze it. So here's my boy, still glued to this thing. I'll have to go and take a nice bath, and then we're gonna go out today. I have to go out to do some shopping, because let me show you guys. Maybe I must do how I do my freezer or something video, so I can rearrange these things. I don't know, it's working, but then the people that I'm living with, this is how we are defrosting. They are defrosting something. People that I'm living, where is it? Oh, it's plastic. They are putting it. These are the things that the beetroot that I boiled yesterday to make a beetroot salad for myself. I like salad. I'm organizing like this, but yeah, it's not working. But I'm out of things now, so I have to go and buy some more. This is my baby's juices. I'm out, you guys. I'm out. It's been almost like 2 weeks since I've gone shopping, so I don't have a lot of things in here. What is this now? Oh, this is like the dough for my husband. I was supposed to put it in the big box. See, this is what I'm talking about. Now we have two. There's a dough, and here's a dough also in the box. This is just my my thingy Okay, I have to come and do this. Let me see this one. This one, I'm just keeping it like this. But I have to find the system that works, because this does not belong here. This does not belong here. But they keep on putting things there, and you know, upside, up and down, just to put. I need to. I'm an organized person, and I need things to be not cluttered. If it's cluttered, then it's like my mind is getting cluttered also. So this is how I'm keeping it. So I'll just maybe come and make a video how I organize my cupboards and things for you guys, so you can see how I'm organizing. This tray I got the other day, not yesterday. I don't know what to do with it. I got it from plastic packaging. I'll see what to do. I needed to pack away some things in it. Yeah, I'm heading out to town now, just to get some supplies. You? Little you have to sleep. Huh? He's just playing all these things. He's not eating really. So people, my fridge is clean from the inside to the outside. So let's just quickly go in. Show you. Yeah, it looks better now. So on the first shelf, I'm just keeping my condiments still. In here, I'm keeping my pickles, and my olives and things. Yeah. In here, I'm just keeping my dough and leftover food. Second shelf, I just arrange it so I can keep my dairy products here, my cheeses, my cream, all the cream that I'm using, and then my butter. In here is my garlic and ginger, and the peppers. Here's just my bread, and then cauliflower and broccoli, and lettuce and the cucumbers. This area along with this one is actually for the sandwiches and things. So here it's just same like it was before. I didn't touch it. I just put in the eggs. Yeah, and here I'll just keep my onion and my tomatoes. I put in the beans here with the carrots. Then on this door, I didn't do anything much, no changes. Medicine, my baby's water, my water in the kids juice. Here milk, almond milk and the normal milk. Here yogurt. Here I have the baby's fruit juice. You will notice that I don't have any soda because I actually didn't get soda this time. Now here I just put all the meats, all of the meats. I have a lot of meat. It's the whole carcass of an animal, of a sheep. Here it's mutton, and I have beef mince, and I have mutton also. And because my fridge is quite small, I put in my mixed veggies here. So it's a big drawer, you guys. It's nice and deep. You can see it here on the side. Okay, the last drawer, I just put in all the pastry things, and then the ice cream and the cheeses that we are keeping here. So this is pretty much done. I cleaned out all this one also. I cleaned it out nicely. And that is the top. Yeah, I'm just keeping all my grains and macaroni and pasta, all the dry things here. Yeah, I'm keeping more condiments, and then you know, I have a lazy Susan in here just to arrange the things easily. And then here is the spreads. My kids love peanut butter. Yeah, in here we have our spices, more spices, more spices, and more spices. This is just spices, full of spices. Here I'm keeping my oats and my baking things here, all the things that I'm using when I'm baking. And then on the last drawer, just tin foods, and then the remaining food, you know, it's not a lot. What is it? It's just leftover food, dry food. Then I also cleaned out my under the sink area. This is how I'm keeping it. I'm looking for a nice organization, inspiration, so I can make it nice here, but with this zinc, it's a waste of time actually. This is how I'm keeping my gloves and the scrubber and things. I'm keeping my steel wool, or the ISO pads they're also called, and then this one is just scrubber thingies, more scrubber thingies. Yeah. So in the last row that I was doing today, let me just show you. These are my snacks for the kids and myself. These are mine. They know they are not allowed here. This is the only thing that is mine. And the raisins, that is mine. I also keep nuts and things other side. These are just for the kids. They are free to grab whatever they want. So I'm keeping my glasses and things like this, like so. And these are the new guys that I just bought today. I'm keeping them here. Yeah, the kids are free to use whatever is here, but whatever is here is for special occasions when we have guests and things, whatever. Okay, so now you want tea? You want tea? I'm gonna make tea for myself and hubby. I don't know if these ones are clean. I don't think so. It looks like it's full of dust or something. So I'll make tea for myself and hubby. And then you guys, this is good night. And just look how dewy I look. My face is sweaty, my nose is full of sweat. I've been working hard today, so this is good night from myself. And he's running, you guys. Come now. My husband ran away, so he's not decent. Now can you give me the tea here, please? He's on the floor, you guys. This is so funny. Oh my goodness. Come talk, Nana. Come say hi. Just show the head that he's saying I'm not decent, but he's fully dressed. I don't know what's his problem. So I'll make a tea, and then we're gonna call it a night.